In this video we're taking an honest look at Sellvia, a dropshipping platform designed to help beginners launch online stores quickly. Sellvia offers ready-to-use stores, automated order fulfillment, and fast US shipping, usually within 1 to 3 business days, which is great for customer satisfaction. The platform is beginner-friendly with an intuitive interface and strong support, including onboarding and personal consultations. It also provides a turnkey solution with hosting, domain, SEO optimization, and a built-in product catalog, so you don't need extra tools. However, there are some drawbacks. Sellvia primarily ships within the US, which limits international sales. Adding custom products can come with extra fees, and customization options for your store are somewhat limited. Some users also report unexpected charges or upselling tactics. Overall, Sellvia is a solid choice if you want a simple US-focused dropshipping solution with fast shipping and support. But if international reach or extensive customization is a priority, it might not be the best fit. Start your dropshipping journey the smart way. Decide what matters most to your business.